After strong bearish movement in the market on GBP USD, it's about to get to a point where I'll be looking for a change of direction in the market. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing what has really happened in the past and what I will be expecting in the coming week. So let's dive into the video properly. So the market has been pushing price for the past few weeks now, and it's heading to a level where I'll be looking otherwise. We can clearly see what the market has been doing for the past few months now. Since February, we'll be having this bearish movement, very strong bearish movement since February till we have it now. So what am I looking at from this movement here? I can clearly see that before this whole bearish movement starts, we have a bullish run. You can see we had a bullish run before that bearish movement started. So after price got to this high here, that was when the market started changing direction to the downside. So the reason why I'm saying that is with respect to what I'm really expecting the price to do in the next few days. So what am I looking at? I'm looking at the origin of this push here. This push, I'm looking at the origin. The bull movement started from this point here. So as I look at this level here, price is also moving towards that level. That is why I'm really looking at this area here to be the point at which price must start going bullish. If you look at this very well, we can clearly see that there is a strong demand level sitting down here. So this is exactly what I'm looking at. I'm looking at this strong demand level here. So I want to see how price is going to react to this in this coming trading days. So let's see what this is going to be. Though I'm still looking for bearish movement until price gets to this level. That is when I will start looking. Otherwise, I will wait for price to react to that level very well before I start looking for a buy movement. Probably a start of a new wave, probably to the down, to the upside. Then if that happens, I'll be looking for a new wave to this high again, like we did to this level again. So we'll be looking at it, probably this supply level here. Then probably market will push price to the downside again. So that is what I'm really expecting for this coming week. For now, we're still looking at that bearish continuation until the market gives something else by pushing price into this level here. Then we're looking for a bullish run to start from that point. But for the meantime, let's go down to the 4-hour to see what the 4-hour is really saying. After price broke out of this orange here, we have price taking out this low, which is the recent low from this movement here. Because after price took out this level, let me show you something here. After price took out this level here, so the recent low and recent high was this, where this point here, this one here was the recent high, this was the recent low. So far price is unable to take out any of this within all range here. We can't really say the market is really going bullish or is really going bearish, but it's in a range. So that's exactly what I'm talking about here. So with this now, with this whole movement now, with this whole movement to the downside now, taking out this level, you can clearly say that this is a break of structure to the downside. Then I'll be looking at this origin here. You can see. Let me use this. Let me use this level here to be a new supply level that I'll be looking at. So that was exactly what I was looking at actually when price was pushing back here. So then again, within that movement, I can clearly say this high here and this low here can be used to pull out my fib level, because I use 61.8% of Fibonacci retracement to create a zone which I called my golden zone. So this is what I do here. I come to this eye and I drag it this low here, this low here. So my 61.8 level, sorry, this eye here, this eye was what but that was where the whole movement started. You can see before we have this break. So that was where I'm trying to refer to, not the other one. So this eye here and this low here was the point you use to pull out the golden zone. Price respected that level. And if we go down to the 1 hour, which is the time frame that I look for entries, we can clearly see that there was a break here, which is the change of character here, which I call the change of character. You can see. And this candle here can simply be called my point of interest for that push. You can see price really drop from this point, which is really, you can see, crazy. Stop loss above this level here. You can see the movement there. So that is exactly what happened for this week. So what am I expecting for this call for the new week? Now let's go back to the 4 hour again to see what the market is doing. So after prices respected this level here, a new low was created, which is this one here. And you can see it's very close to my daily demand level. Price just push into this daily demand level, then I'll be looking for the movement on this 4 hour. So if that is the case, that means I will be looking for a buying opportunity if price gets to this level here. But if price failed to get to this level here and created some kind of change of character to the upside, this is the recent high here, and this is the recent low here after the break of structure here. So for price to really start going other way around, I have to see price taking out this level here. That means if price failed to get to this point, if price should fail to get to this demand level here, I have to see price making it back into this level here by taking it out. So let me try to explain that very well so that I won't complicate the issue for myself here and for my viewers. So what I'm trying to say is this break of structure that happened here created this recent high and this recent low here. So that means the market is still bearish. So that means the market is still bearish. But for now, the pullback that happened, they're moving down. For it to move down from this point and continue the bearish movement, that means this recent low here has to be taken out. And if that can be the case, that means price will definitely get to my demand level. And once price gets to my daily demand level, I'll be looking for price going up from that point. That means this high here will now be the recent high, and the low that will form here will now be the recent low. That means I'll be looking for price to take out this recent high here to continue that bullish movement. So that's basically what I'm waiting for right now. Nothing too really serious. I have to wait for price to create this push, market to create this push here to take out this low here. Once this low is taken out, that has defined a new high and a new low probably around this area for price to pull back. Then once price pull back, I'll be looking at price taking out this recent high here for that bullish movement to start. That's what I'm expecting there. But if this level fails to hold the price, that means the market really want to go far on the bearish side, probably breaking this level here. I was looking for the pullback, then I'll be looking for that bearish continuation. But for now, I'm still expecting price to come into this supply, into this demand, daily demand level here. That was my expectation for this week. And if that should happen, we should be looking for a bullish movement from next week. So it's going to be a massive run if that is going to be the case. So for the whole month of April, if this level should hold, we should be looking for a bullish run for the whole month of April. So that's my expectation right now. But if that is not the case, if this level is taken out, that means the bearish movement continues. Then we will now go down to the daily time frame again to see where the price is likely to be pushed towards. So this level here will be the next level that I will looking at price to be pushed to. So this level here is also a demand level from the daily time frame. So if this should fail, this is there for price to to play around with. That's how I look at the market from the daily time frame perspective. Let's see what the market is going to give for the week. Is it going to be a continuation of the bearish run, or would the market change direction for the month of April to a bullish side? So let's see what this is going to result to for the week, and see you guys again next time. Bye for now.